Your heart has been keeping score every single time you cook. And right now, most Indian kitchens are losing badly. In the 1990s, everyone looked at Desi Ghee, the thing our grandmothers made from scratch, and the thing that built entire generations, and said, no, this yellow plastic bottle from the factory looks more scientific.
Oh my god! Wow!
And the entire country agreed.
Yeah, damn right!
Your parents switched from Desi Ghee to refined oil. Even the wedding caterers switched. The ghee that survived thousands of years of cooking, cancelled by TV ad. And now, science says that was a mistake. Here is what the bottle did not tell you. Refined oil is extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. Too much omega-6 in your body triggers chronic inflammation, the kind that quietly damages your arteries over years. Not dramatically, not all at once, just slowly, like a very patient villain.
Wow.
And here is the part that genuinely bothers me as a doctor. When you heat refined oil above 180 degrees, that is standard cooking temperature, it oxidizes and releases free radicals directly into your food. You season your food with science's worst nightmare. Now let us talk about Desi Ghee. Smoking point above 250 degrees, perfectly stable at every cooking temperature. It does not panic at heat. Unlike refined oil, ghee has seen a tawa before. Butyric acid literally repairs your gut lining. CLA clinically shown to reduce visceral body fat. And the omega-3 to omega-6 ratio is balanced. So, which one wins for your body? For cooking heat, Desi Ghee. Specifically, cow ghee. Higher CLA, better omega ratio than buffalo. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day for sedentary adults. Up to 3 if you are active. 1 to 2 tablespoons I say. Now if your LDL cholesterol is already high, speak to your doctors before increasing ghee. But for most people eating moderate amounts, ghee is not the enemy. The factory bottle with the cartoon heart on it was. One more thing. This one even surprises my patients.
Okay, pay attention because I'm only going to go over this 10 more times.
If you cook with ghee and cool the food before eating, it forms resistant starch. The resistant starch slows down your blood sugar response. So refrigerating your ghee cooked rice overnight is not laziness, it is literally medicine. Tell your family I said so. Exact ghee brand, exact dose for your body weight pinned in the comments below. And if your blood sugar is above 100, stay for the next video. This one will make you question everything in your kitchen.